Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp. This is NgNews with the latest updates from the Angular community every week. Matthieu Riegler is a member of the Angular team and his articles always provide deep insights. This time he wrote about the synchronization process, which is a new term that replaces the old one, which is the change detection. He explains the two phases of creating and updating the DOM and how this translates into real code. He also touches on dirty marking, which determines whether a component should be checked for synchronization, and draws a comparison to the virtual DOM, that's the rendering approach used by React. Older Angular applications usually have a lot of NgModules. At TechStackNation, Rickabaugh, Angular framework lead, recommended maybe to move to standalone components. All the new features like the defer and the upcoming selectorless will require standalone. But NgModules are not going to be deprecated.
I don't know if it's even possible. Angular would have to clean up the entire Google code base and get rid of all the NgModules in it. And I don't think we have the capability to do that.
Signal-based Angular applications rely far less on RxJS than non-signal-based ones. But RxJS is not deprecated. In fact, it will become a web standard and will be shipped in Chromium version 135. The release date for it is April the 1st. According to Ben Lesh, the maintainer of RxJS, RxJS was on hold until this point and will now incorporate the standardized observable. If everything goes according to plan, Angular 19.2 will be released this week, and its highlight feature is going to be the HTTP resource. If you want to get a head start, Cedric Exprayat has already published an article covering it. That's it. Wishing you a nice week. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.